How to fix Facebook notifications problem. In this video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your uh, Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook and scroll down, click on storage. Now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop. And what you should do right now, guys, you have to go to this option here, picture, and picture make this option is allow it, and after this your problem will be solved. And I forget to tell you that you have to go to notifications, disallow it and allow it like this, and after this your problem will be solved.